Kia ora koutou. Part 6 in the video series about different types of sentences is about asking and answering questions to say how someone or something is. By the end of the video, you'll be able to ask others how they are and give your own answer to describe how you are feeling too. We'll also talk about how to ask and answer pātai about how other things are. Let's start with the question. How to ask, how are you? The word pēhea means how. Kei te pēhea translates to how is or how are. In these examples, we're going to use the structure to say how are you. If you want to say how are you to one person, kei te pēhea koe. To two people, kei te pēhea kōrua. And to three or more people, kei te pēhea koutou. In alternative dialects, another way to say how is or how are, e pēhea ana. E pēhea ana koe. How are you? When we want to answer these types of questions, we replace the word pēhea with the feeling word or the tūāhua. There are some examples here of kupu, kare ā-roto, emotions or feeling words. Ngenge ana ahau, I'm feeling tired. Kei te ā-roto ahau, I'm feeling calm, and so on. I'm going to acknowledge the Drops Visual Dictionary website for these images. Here's a few more examples. Have a think about how you're feeling right now. Kei te pēhea koe. I'm hoping, kei te harikoa koe, you're feeling happy. There's heaps of other words to describe how you're feeling, with a few of them here. These images were sourced from Bamboozle. I've included the link for these sites in the comments section of this video for you to have a look at. Here's a few more examples of how this sentence structure can be used. We might want to ask how another person is. Kei te pēhea tō māma, how is your mother? Or e pēhea ana ngā manuhiri, how are the visitors? If you were using a person's name, you will need to use a before their name. Kei te pēhea a hone, how is hone? It doesn't even need to be a person. E pēhea ana te kare, how is the dog? We can use this sentence structure for a whole range of things. You just have to replace the kupu that you want to use. Another variation is using the how sentences with tense markers e and kua. In the past tense, I pēhea te hui, how was the meeting? Kua pēhea te huarere, how has the weather been? I pēhea tō rā, how was your day? And kua pēhea te haerenga, how has the journey been? How has the trip been? I hope this video has been useful for you. The next time you want to ask someone how they are, or ask one of these other types of questions, give these sentences a go. Using these on a daily basis will help you practice them. Don't forget to have a look at the links I've dropped into the comments to help you learn a few more kupu. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Kia ora.